welcome back to another video. It is time for another laser project video. I've done a few videos on 3D printing, which is really nice to do, and I will make some more on these. But in this video, another laser project, and we're going to create this one. I think it's a fun project, nice and colorful. What I will use to cut the project out of is this. I've already pre-selected the colors. This one is particle board. You can see it on the side. That's the backer. And then I've got these ones. These are from Creatorally. I did a video on this. These are pre-painted sheets of plywood, so that's really convenient. You've got several colors. This is the 3mm version. I also got this one, so check it out on their website. These are also pre-colored sheets, and these are 6mm. So these are, let me see, a little bit thicker, but also nice colors, both sides. So it will save you some painting. And I also got these acrylic sheets. I got these ones as well. Also different colors, bright colors, shiny colors, gold, bronze. So many things possible. I will put a link in the description of my video where you can find these. And they have a really nice finish to it. As you can see on the black, nice and shiny. So this is what I will use for this project. I will show you the design in Lightburn, how to cut it and everything. So if you want to follow along, just watch the whole video. If you like it, let me know, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And let's start with the first step, is getting into Lightburn to load the design. So let's have a look at the original design. As you can see, there are several colors. The red ones will be cut, the green ones will be engraved. And this is so that you can put the other parts on top of it and align them exactly. But what I always like to do is change the colors so they will match with the actual design. So if you take a look at the design, you got the white, green, yellow, black. And I changed the design. Let me remove this one and show you this. Here you got the parts that I changed. You can see now I've got the green parts, the yellow parts, the white ones, the black, and the red one is still cut, and then the orange is engraved. I also divided this one. Originally this was one part, but that means that you have to spend more green where you will not see it, because the white one will be on top of it. So I just cut it in half, and I can align it later, so it will be one piece like this. So next up, let me put in all the plywood sheets one by one and then cut each color. So let's start with the backer. This is the 8mm thick particle board. I will do the cutting at 400mm a minute, 85%, and I will do 4 passes because it's pretty thick. That's the 40-watt setting on the laser. And the engraving I will do at 4000mm a minute at 30%. So it should just leave a light imprint. I will first do the engrave, then we'll do the cutting. All the other ones are turned off, as you can see, the layers. So let's start it. Here we go. So you can clearly see the engravings. Now we will start the cutting. Move the laser to the back and have a look. It is cut, as you can see. And you can see the thickness of this particle board. So he did a good job. You can see it is dark on the side, so this is to be expected. It's 4 passes, so I need to clean it up. You can see there's some soot. But for the rest, the engraving worked out fine. Let me clean it a little bit. So you can see the engravings on there, so you know where to place all the parts. And for the rest, everything is cut out nicely. So happy with the result. So let me remove this one. This is ready, and I will put on the green ones. These ones, also this one. And I will put them so they will fit on the green plywood. Then I can align everything and start the cutting. So I've also aligned the one piece which will fit just inside there. Let me cut it out as well. Here we go. Move the laser. You can see it will just fit in here. Let me take it out. Nicely cut. Let's see. So now all the green parts are ready. You can go to the other color. So I've aligned all the yellow parts. Let's start the cutting. Everything is ready. Let me get rid of the smoke. Let me move the laser and see if everything is cut. As you can see, everything is nicely cut without any issue. So all the white parts are aligned. Let me home the machine. Then we can start the cutting. It will first engrave and then it will cut out all the parts. Here we go. So this one is also ready. Let me take it out. All the parts are cut, as you can see. So no issues there. So and all the black parts are also ready. Let me start the cutting. What I will do is I will put some tape on here on the smaller pieces. Otherwise I might lose them. Just some regular painter's tape. So all the parts will stick in there. And now I can take it out. So I noticed that I did not have enough pre-painted wood to cut this one out. This is the white one. So I will use a standard plywood sheet and I will paint this one. It will engrave first and then do the cutting. So again, we're going to create this design. I think it's a fun design. I cut out all the parts already using the pre-painted plywood from Creatorally. I really like this one. It's got some really nice finish on both sides and it saves me a lot of time painting all the parts. I thought I had enough white to also do this one, but I was wrong. So I did cut out a little piece using regular plywood and I gave it 2 coats of paint. So it's yeah, pretty much the same color. And I put some painter's tape on here because there were some really small parts that I would not like to drop into the honeycomb bed. So I just put on some tape so all the parts will stay in place. This is 8mm thick particle board. I cut it out on the Magpul X4 Pro. This is the 40-watt version and it did a really good job on this one. I did 4 passes to make sure everything is cut out and you can see yeah, it's cut out perfectly. If you look closely, you can see the engravings on there, so you know exactly where to position all the other parts during the glue up. Now I will glue everything in place and then we have another project finished. So there you go, this is the end result. I think it turned out really nice. Again, I can really recommend this pre-painted plywood from Creatorally. It will really speed up your process and you got a really nice finish on both sides. So that's a nice benefit of having these pre-painted sheets. If you want to create this one, I will put a link in the description to this design. This one is on Creative Fabrica. If you want to get a subscription, which I can really recommend, check out the link in the description of my video. This is an affiliate link, so it will help me a little bit, and you get 10 downloads for free. So that's nice for you. Yeah, I think that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know. Please leave a comment. It's always nice to read your comments. And please consider subscribing to my channel. This will really help my channel grow. And with that said, it's time to say goodbye, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.